Man, I don't know. Falling asleep early, bro, has helped me so much.
Yeah, I'm trying,
I could
man.
see, I
That
could
one week
see,
I did really good.
I could see a great benefit right now. Like, imagine if I get my fucking 8 hours, dude. It's gonna be. No gun, no gun.
Oh, I killed the wrong one. Lot of bullets. You got any heals? It's gotta be fucking prone somewhere. Auditorium?
Oh, I was about to pop you.
I think auditorium. Maybe that little hallway.
Yeah, he's up.
Yeah.
He's there. He's in there.
Got him.
His boy's coming up. His boy's coming up.
I don't know if it was from outside or from where. Could be outside.
Fucking fully healed. Still got all the ammo in the world.
With me, with me. Straight dead.
They dead?
Yeah, yeah. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Where was that from?
That was like either a.
In front of me. Up them. I don't know where his boy's at. Could probably be upstairs.
Where are they, by
Healing.
the water tower?
Yeah, he went down the. I killed him down the hill.
Fuck! He's up top by the water tower. Yeah, I don't good shit. Fucking asshole! I lit his ass up.
He's gonna have to move or he's gonna die. He's moving. He's moving.
Oh, I see him. Lit him up once. He should die. He's moving.
Yeah.
Fuck. I see him. Dead.
That's it.
Yeah. I don't know if you want to go loot him. I might. I see him in front of us.
Yeah. He didn't drop from that? Got him.
Good shit. Fuck. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Go, 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 go. Oh, fuck. See if you can come pick me up back here. I'm inside. I'm good.
Get in a circle, get in a circle. Get by me, get by me. One side circle.
Alright, same.
Might be
Oh, on top of us.
we're by crate. Yeah, he's by crate.
Got him.
Woo-wee!
Fuck yeah! Good shit!